What's up? It's me. Oh, that's my brother. Let's go see him. Say, what's up, Dan?
What's up?
What's he doing? Making a mess?
No, I'm looking for Playmobil vacant gun.
Nice. Well, he's doing that. I'm going to do a room tour. A lot of other people have been doing it on YouTube, so hey, I'm going to try it out. See what it's like. I'll show you all my toys, my posters. I got a lot of cool stuff. And I just had my birthday. Now I'm 9. So I started this at the age of 5. 5 or 4. Yeah, I was 4. I swear. I was 4. I was young. Now I'm 9. I haven't been with you a while. I guess it was. So, hope you had a good 4th of July. Hope you had a good year. And, well, again, Stranger Things I've liked. It's like Christmas. A little bit before Christmas. I liked it a while. So I wanted to do a room tour. It sounds cool, so I'm like, let's give it a shot. And I've actually been seeing other people do stuff like this on YouTube. I know I've always. Let's get into this. So first, we are gonna go to my main shelf, the one I look at all the time. To show my bed. My bed's a mess. So I'll be showing you. Let's get into this shelf. Up here I have this. It's a pirate ship. That's for. Yeah, it's that. Read it. Pac-Man, Funko Pop paper. Then here we got Stranger Things stuff. I got this. Get Demogorgon on it. Sorry. I got 11s. That 11 and that 11. Then I got Will, Dustin, Demogorgon. Dustin, Demodog. Then down here we got Lego. Custom Stranger Things Lego. Lucas, Will, Mike, 11, Dustin. Let's go into my dress. I don't put stuff. I don't know what's in it. So I got this, my NES, my old TV. This is actually the TV I used to have because I used to have that TV at our camp in the summer. Here's the mirror. I have beanbags. And then right here, I drawed that. I got some posters. I draw those, and there's stuff on the wall. I really like Stranger Things. If you've seen Stranger Things and you like it, me too. I got that stuff like my valuables up there. Pound puppies. I don't know what I was doing. I was trying to do a domino thing. Legos. More video games. My stash of baseball cards. What's up, Dan? I'm doing a room tour. My bed. Gaming chair. And there's this shelf. I got some cap guns. Right, Dan?
Yeah.
I got that stuff.
Yeah.
Funko Pops. More cap guns.
More
Ukrainian.
and BB guns.
Yeah, that's a mess, that desk. BB guns. More pound puppies.
Squish pet.
More stuff. My poncho. All kinds of stuff.
Squishy.
And if you're wondering what's in here. Oh, those are pellet guns. Yeah, Dan's saying, don't forget about the squishies. Don't forget about squishies, guys. Always love squishies.
These squishies are cool.
Then, Captain.
Batman cards.
Batman cards. I forgot. I have a ton already. Yeah, I collect cards. I got baseball cards.
Yeah, the Matchbox.
I got that stuff. I got I got a bunch of car toys.
He has a lot
My
of
cowboy
Matchbox
boots.
set.
Yeah. There's this stuff if you want to see better. Then So that's all for today. I'll catch you next time. I'll do a Stranger Things video. And, well, that's it. And subscribe. Say goodbye. Bye! Bye.